Hey food lovers, welcome back to our kitchen, where we bring you the best recipes from around the world. Today, I'm going to share the ultimate paella recipe you absolutely need to try. This dish is a true celebration of Spanish cuisine, and it's easier to make than you might think. This Spanish classic is packed with flavors and is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a family dinner, a festive gathering, or just a special treat for yourself. Let's get started. First, let's talk ingredients. The key to a great paella is using fresh, high-quality ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, and 1 diced red bell pepper. These will form the base of our flavorful sofrito. For the main protein, grab 1 pound of chicken thighs, 1 pound of mussels, and 1 pound of shrimp. The combination of land and sea gives paella its unique and delicious taste. Don't forget 1.5 cups of arborio rice, which is essential for that perfect creamy texture. You'll also need 3 cups of chicken broth to cook the rice and infuse it with rich flavor, and 1 cup of white wine to add a touch of acidity and depth. Lastly, add a pinch of saffron, a teaspoon of paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. These spices are what give paella its distinctive color and aroma. Alright, heat up your pan on medium heat and add the olive oil. A wide, shallow pan works best for paella. Once it's hot, toss in the chopped onion and let it cook until it's translucent. This will take about 5 minutes. Add the minced garlic and diced red bell pepper, cooking for another 2 minutes. The aroma at this stage is simply irresistible. Now, it's time to add your chicken thighs. Make sure they're cut into bite-sized pieces for even cooking. Cook them until they're golden brown on all sides, which should take about 8 minutes. Next up, stir in the arborio rice, making sure it's well coated with all those delicious flavors. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect paella texture. Pour in the white wine and let it simmer until it's mostly absorbed. This will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Then add the chicken broth, saffron, paprika, salt and pepper. Stir everything together to combine. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the rice to absorb all the flavors. While the rice is cooking, let's prep the seafood. Clean the mussels under cold running water and remove any beards. Devein the shrimp by making a shallow cut along the back and removing the dark vein. Once the rice has absorbed most of the liquid, gently nestle the mussels and shrimp into the pan. Make sure the mussels are hinged side down so they can open easily. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes, or until the mussels have opened and the shrimp have turned pink. If any mussels remain closed, discard them. To finish it off, sprinkle some fresh parsley on top and give it one last stir. The fresh herbs add a burst of color and flavor, and there you have it, the ultimate paella. This dish is a true labor of love, but the end result is absolutely worth it. Serve it straight from the pan for that authentic Spanish feel. The communal aspect of paella makes it perfect for sharing with family and friends. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious dishes. Happy cooking! And remember, the best meals are made with love and shared with those you care about.